This video is going to show you how to create a Voki, which is an avatar that you can make speak and then post it different places. First thing you do is you go to the website www.voki.com and it will take you to a page like this. If you don't have a Voki account already, you'll need to register, or if you do, you can go ahead and log in. Voki is free as long as you have an email account, so you can go ahead and sign up for that. After you've signed in, you're going to get a page that looks like this. I already have a couple of Vokis here that I've saved before, but today I want to create a new one. So I'm going to choose the tab, the first one on the left, that says Create. And I give it a minute to load. Every time you log in, you'll get some sort of a character here, but you don't have to keep that one. Start up here where it says Customize your character. First, you're going to choose on the body. And you've got lots of choices here. You can choose something political. We can scroll back. VIP, these are famous people. Random things. You have aliens and smiley faces and Dracula, all sorts of things here. And what you want to do is take a minute, figure out what kind of Voki you want, what you want your creature to look like. Here's some animals. I'm going to choose a moose for my creature. Next thing you can choose is hair. The moose doesn't have hair, although if you choose some of the other people, they will have hair. And again, for the moose, he just has one mouth, but some of the other Vokis have different mouths you can choose. When you finish that and you've got your Voki the way you want him to look, then you click Done. If you're doing a person, you can add some clothing or some bling. With an animal, I can't really add that. Other things you can do, you can give him a different background. So if I don't like where this moose is standing, I click on Backgrounds. And I can change it. And again, you have lots of choices up at the top. If I want him in a living room with a fireplace, I can choose this one. Here he's in a bathroom or a bedroom, and you've got all sorts of different choices. I think I'm going to put my moose in a movie theater. When I've got what I want, I'm going to click Done, just like I did before. Your next step is to give it a voice. There's different ways you can do this. You can add a microphone, you can call in. I find the easiest way is to do text to speech, so I'm going to click on that. And I have to decide what I want my moose to say. So he's going to say, hey, check out the empty theater. Where'd everybody go? Okay, then I'm going to keep mine in English, although I can choose from lots of other languages. And I have some different voices I can choose. Right now it's set on Paul. To hear him play.
Do I make you hungry? Happy Tappy Mom.
Okay, well that is not what he's supposed to say. That's what happened. Okay, I click Done. Let's see if he says the right thing now.
Hey, check out the empty theater. Where'd everybody go?
So if I'm happy with that, I'm ready to publish. If not, I can come back to the text. My text is still there. I can change the voices. I can make it someone who's female. I can make them have a British accent, a Scottish accent, Australian. I've got lots of choices. I'm going to leave it on Paul for now. So I'm going to click Done. Next thing I do is I click Publish. And I'm going to call it Moose. When I log in, I'll be able to see all of the Vokis that I've created. It tells me it's been saved. I can close this. So here's my Voki, and I've got some choices for what I can do with him now. I can post it to Facebook or Twitter or to lots of other social networking sites. I can create a URL if I want to email that to somebody, or I can use this embedded code, which is what I'm going to do today. To get the embedded code, I click on Copy. Highlights it, tells me it's copied, and I'm all set. I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to open a PowerPoint and show you how to insert your Voki into a PowerPoint, which is kind of a fun thing to do with them. It can make your project look more interesting. Let's see. I want this layout because it's got a picture. And I'll choose a design. This one looks good. Okay. Now, the way that I insert a Voki is a little bit different than the way I do a picture, although it starts the same. First thing I do is I come up and choose the Insert tab right here. Next, this is where I can insert a clip art or a picture or a hyperlink or any of those things. I'm going to choose video, and because I've got that embedded code, I'm going to choose the video from the website. Okay. It says I need to insert my link. I've already copied it straight from the Voki website. I'm going to right click, click paste, and insert. And I can make this the size that I want it to be. I'm going to have a big moose. I think I'll have him take pretty much the whole screen. Then when I click on the slideshow, it's going to take it a little bit to load. It tells me there's a Voki here. And my moose is looking around, and when I click on play,
Check out the empty theater where everybody goes.
and that is how I put a Voki into a PowerPoint. If I'm not happy with him, if I think he's too big, I can adjust this the way that I would any other PowerPoint. I can make him small. I can add my text here, or whatever I want to do. And of course, as always, you should save it before you stop. That is how you put a Voki into your PowerPoint.